Hi, everybody. This is Mama Couts, and I wanted to do a live at 5 and talk a little bit about oregano. I wanted to share with you some tips that I have for using oregano with your preparedness plan. So, oregano is what would be known as a hot oil. So basically what that means is you're going to want to dilute it if you're going to have it on your skin. It's not going to hurt you, but it will cause some irritation. Another tip would be if you're going to use it internally, which I don't recommend all oregano oil. I am talking about doTERRA tonight, which I think most of you probably already know that. So if you're going to use it internally, don't use it for more than about 10 days in a row and only do 1 or 2 drops at a time because it will mess up your intestinal flora. So you're going to want to also take a probiotic. That said, if you've got some kind of illness going on, if you've got some kind of flu or anything like that going on, oregano is definitely something you're going to want to have on hand. So from a preparedness standpoint, I always have oregano on hand, and I always have extras, backups for my backups. We have a really cool thing with a doTERRA Touch roller. It's already pre-diluted. Can you see that? And then we also have the oil in a 15 ml bottle. There's about 250 drops, I think, in a 15 ml bottle. It only takes a couple of drops for any need that you would have for it. Another cool thing is you can cook with our oils. So if you are a prepper and you do have spices on hand, that's great. If you don't, just take a toothpick and dip it in the oregano, and you can add that to your sauce, like if your spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce or whatever. It's also good if you're going to season a roast. So that's another reason why I love having these oils on hand, is because I tend to have the seasonings, or I run out of them, or they go bad because I haven't used them. So I always have my oils on hand. So for an illness, if you're trying to get rid of it, you could do a roller bottle. And I will leave the recipe for the roller bottle below. But I would do probably with my On Guard, frankincense, melaleuca, and oregano. And probably about 4 to 5 drops in a 10 ml bottle with all of these other oils. And then you're going to top that off with fractionated coconut oil. That's going to be a really good immune booster and immune buster. Like, it's going to kill the germs, right? It's going to kill the stuff that's going on inside your body as well. So it's going to help you you might get sick, because I'm not saying I don't ever get sick, although I can't remember the last time I was sick, but it's going to shorten the duration of the illness. So that's where I love having the oils on hand. And again, so I've been reading a lot of like dystopian books. And when they talk about these people getting sick and we're talking, grid down situations and stuff, I just keep thinking, I wish they had oils in the book, because the oils are going to help you stay healthy. They're going to help you get healthy quicker if you do end up getting sick. You can clean with the oils, right? So rather than stockpiling gallons and gallons of bleach, you can have the On Guard, the melaleuca, and the oregano as a cleaner for sanitizing and stuff. You can have the lemon on hand for your water. That's another topic. But so today we're talking about oregano. I just get so excited about talking about oils, and I wanted to share all the tips with you right away. So back to what we're talking about. Again, putting this in your cleaner, you can sanitize with it, you can cook with it, you can keep yourself healthy with it. We have, recap real quick, the roller, which you can rub on the bottoms of your feet to help you stay healthy or get healthy if you aren't healthy. And then the oil, which you can cook with, or put in a gel cap, a veggie cap to take internally, or you can put it in a roller bottle. And I will leave the recipe for that roller bottle in the comments. So if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can message me privately here on Facebook or YouTube, because this will be on YouTube also. If you would like to get in on a essential oil study that I have starting next month. So applications will be starting tomorrow for the first 8 days of the month. I will send you a free sample with the ailment that you've picked. So it could be pain, it could be emotions, stress, that sort of thing. There's going to be 5 different things to pick from. I'll send you 3 different samples to do for 9 days, 3 samples, 1 for 3 days each. And then there'll be a chance for you to give us some feedback. You'll be in a group with other people that are in the study, and you all can talk about what you liked about the oils, what you didn't like about the oils. And with preparedness, when I first started, I thought, oh, I'll just put them on the shelf and we'll have them. And that's not necessarily the case. You kind of need to know what you're doing, because when you do need them, you're going to need to know, right? So this is a good opportunity to learn about the oils before you really need them. When you have the support, you've got me to ask questions of, and there's Facebook groups and all sorts of good resources. So if that's something that interests you, leave a comment below or look for the link here on the page and you can fill out the application. So I hope I helped you in a little bit today. And again, if you have questions, let me know and we'll talk to you later. Bye.